लाइफ में किसी को सेकंड चांस मिलने पर उसका फ़ायदा उठाना चाहिए, अपने लिए जीने के लिए कोशिश करना चाहिए।
चला मग आता हे शेवटचं सायकल झालं. आता 1 महिन्याने तुम्हाला if somebody can fight cancer and overcome that, everything else is trivial.
Life means everything to me, and saving life is what I work for. When I was in 9th standard, I encountered a young boy who had leukemia. His condition brought a lot of grief in the hearts of all the people in the village. He is now living a normal, healthy life, and each time I see him, it inspires me to go forth and work in this field of cancer. If you can feel anything like a lump, you have to go and show your nearby doctor. Soon after I finished my medical studies, I heard that this eye breast exam screening is going on. When you all check your breast, it is very important for women in India to have access to breast cancer screening camps, wherein they get themselves tested early and the breast cancer is detected at an early stage.
Conventionally, what has been advised or what has been recommended is to have mammogram. It can be a little painful, and many times it becomes a deterrent, and very often we see that women put their own health as their last priority. What is more important is to make women aware about screening camps. What is being used in the last 2 years is the eye breast examination device.
Okay, so we didn't bring a big device with us. This is a small handheld device, okay? So this is the scanner.
It takes about 10 minutes to do the examination, and any tissue within the breast which has a consistency different from the breast tissue is picked up as an abnormality. It doesn't necessarily mean it's cancer, but that is a cue that this woman should go for further testing. Eye breast examination is helping us to diagnose patients early. Being a very handy portable device, we are able to go to the remote corners of the state, so people who may not always come to seek medical help, we go out to them, and that is something which hopefully will change the face of breast cancer over the next few years.
कैंप में जाने के बाद चेकअप की तो उन्होंने बोला छोटी सी गांठ है, आप जाकर जीएमसी में फिर से वापस चेकअप कर सकते हैं। तो अगले दिन मैं जीएमसी में गई, तो वहाँ चेकअप के लिए करने के बाद डॉक्टर ने देखा तो उन्होंने बोला कैंसर है करके। तो सुन के वहीं पर रोना आया। ऑपरेशन करने के बाद 8 कीमोथेरेपी उन्होंने दिया। कीमोथेरेपी ख़त्म होने के बाद रेडिएशन स्टार्ट किया। आशा मैंने छोड़ दी थी जीने की, तो अभी रिकवरी के बाद बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है।
कशे आहा? घरान सगळी? बाबू कसो आहा? आज स्कुलाक गेल्लो? Asha has benefited from this breast cancer screening, and she fought the battle of breast cancer bravely, and she speaks about it so openly to everyone around her. That is what is really overwhelming to me.
कभी सोचा नहीं था ऐसी लाइफ वापस फिर मुझे मिलेगी। मेरी ड्रीम है कि मैं कहीं पे जगह लूँ, घर बांधूँ और एक दुकान खोलूँ, बच्चों को पढ़ाऊँ, उनके आगे की लाइफ देखूँ।
When I see that I have such an impact on my community, it brings in a lot of joy. And I see them change the way they speak more about breast cancer now. My dream and my goal for the future is that more women come forward for these screening camps, because early detection of breast cancer could save their lives.